As of Wednesday, the 28th October, Osprey Lines, the main passenger ferry service between Grenada and the Sister Isles, resumed the services to the general public. The ferry will be operating every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, twice per day between islands. Minister for Carriacou and Petite Martinique Affairs, Kendra Matthew-Stewart, says that for more than 2 months, travellers were forced to stay put after government implemented restrictions to curb the spread of COVID-19. She said she is happy the service is now available.
So as it is now, commencing today, there will be no longer a need to have a travel authorization to travel between Grenada and Carriacou and vice versa, or for one to subject themselves to a rapid antigen test prior to travel. As a result of same, Osprey, which is a passenger ferry, are now authorized to travel, not authorized to conduct its usual course of business. As a result of which they have published their schedule of trips back and forth, and it's something that we greatly appreciate at this time, because we know, yes, while we are trying to fight and we are trying to deal with the COVID-19 situation, it was necessary for persons to be able to move back and forth.
The minister said that owners of the ferry have been given their full cooperation to the authority throughout the pandemic to fight the spread of the virus in Carriacou and Petite Martinique.
Cooperation in this regard. Throughout the period, I've had extensive discussion with them. As a matter of fact, I would have spoken to them on Saturday of last week, indicating that this is where government was going and what we were doing, and for them to get ready to commence operations today. And they have cooperated, and hence the reason why we are seeing them up today. Osprey has already given their commitment, as per usual, to ensure that passengers continue to wear their masks, and they continue to observe the social distancing while on board, and that temperature checks and hand sanitizing takes place upon entry.
Passengers are also reminded to adhere to all protocols stipulated to access the services offered. For GBN News, I am Rena Pett Thomas reporting.